Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Now if you follow my channel, you'll know that I've no longer got my 2009 Jeep Wrangler and actually directly swapped it for another car. In this video, we're going to find out what car that is. Let's take a look. And here she is in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! A Jeep Renegade. She's a 2015 model and it is the limited, so it's one of the top of the range. It is the smaller 1.4 litre turbo Fiat engine, 18-inch wheels, full leather heated seats, heated steering wheel and a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now I know what a lot of you are going to say, that's not a Jeep, it's a Fiat. And I can't argue with you, it is a Fiat. However, the main reason I wanted to swap the car and needed to change the car was so that I could easily fit a baby seat in there for my daughter, which this more than adequately does. And she's very clean inside and out with only 60,000 kilometers on the clock. Now, one thing that the car does have, which I believe is a common fault, is the door panels are starting to rip off. So I've actually ordered complete new replacement panels that go here, and I'll make some videos showing you how to fit them. Other videos I've already got planned for the car. I have some new headlight bulbs come in to give them a try. They're high power LED headlight bulbs. I also have some gas struts coming for the bonnet as well. Now we'll be making lots of videos on this car, so please leave me a comment down below mentioning which videos you want to see, and that will help me prioritize which ones I make first. So if you found this video enjoyable, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and stay tuned for more videos on the Renegade.